We have all encountered the person who talks endlessly about a different life, success, money, and grand projects. They describe these visions with high energy, appearing ready to begin, yet their circumstances remain exactly the same year after year. The most common explanation for this frustrating behavior is that the individual simply lacks drive or is predisposed to laziness. These dreamers actually often have high ambition. Their stagnation stems from a psychological barrier that halts progress despite their desire for change. The brain functions in a way that prevents the individual from pursuing the very goals they claim to want most. Visualizing a future often functions as a mechanism that holds the dreamer in place, rather than providing a map for reality. This process begins with how the mind handles anticipation. Intensely imagining a successful outcome triggers a chemical reward in the brain before any work has been done. This diagram compares the brain's activity during visualization on the left with actual achievement on the right. The brain provides the exact same chemical signature for imagining a goal as for completing it. When it registers it has received the reward, urgency disappears. This creates an attachment to the feeling of potential. The mind begins to build defenses to keep the fantasy safe from the friction of reality. Waiting for the right moment is frequently a way for the mind to protect the dream from the possibility of failure. This leads to a cycle of overanalyzing every step and planning for every possibility. By focusing on the details of the plan, the dreamer avoids the risk of execution. This constant mental analysis consumes cognitive energy. By the time it is time to act, the dreamer feels drained, having spent their effort solely on thinking. Beyond the fatigue of overthinking, the resistance is rooted in how the brain protects the way we see ourselves. The brain works to prevent actions that contradict an individual's subconscious identity. This chart shows the gap between an aspirational self and the real self. If someone secretly views themselves as one who never finishes tasks, they face a deep internal conflict. The brain stalls progress to ensure the existing, familiar identity remains unchanged. To take real action, the dreamer must accept the discomfort of shifting their self-image. Every step toward a goal is a challenge to the old, comfortable view of who they are. The brain stays with the safety of a known, even if flawed, identity to avoid the uncertainty of adopting new behaviors. The perfect fantasy is thrilling, but the actual work is slow, repetitive, and often boring to endure. As long as no action is taken, the dream stays perfect and safe from the risk of being proven wrong. Real progress is repetitive and often highly uncomfortable. It requires facing small, daily failures. Readiness is a feeling that arrives after action has started. Those who wait to feel ready before beginning find that the moment never arrives. Moving forward requires letting go of the perfect theoretical dream and embracing the friction of changing how we behave. The difference between those who dream and those who act comes down to the ability to move forward